I mean, yeah, another question some guy asked, do you need a Costco membership to do Costco orders?
No, I actually haven't done one yet, but I mean, you just have a
I've
barcode.
done one. Yeah, you just, it's
Yeah.
like when you check out, it prompts like a barcode that you
Hmm.
scan. Um,
Yeah.
Another person said, do you think people are using bots to instantly accept good batches?
What the hell?
Hey, I think so. What about you? They
I think
definitely are using, they
people
definitely
are,
use bots, right?
yeah.
They have little robots set up that tap the screen really fast.
I don't even know how to respond
This
to
is
that
from
question.
Happy Camper. She also said, today I spent 2 hours waiting for deliveries. My area is pathetic.
Yeah, I think that, unfortunately, some areas are just not as good as others. And
Somebody
I mean,
actually commented, it's their market is really oversaturated with shoppers. And
hmm
I
yeah,
have never heard that
I
anywhere.
have.
Oh
I've
yeah,
heard that.
okay, sorry.
Yeah, I
Maybe I
have
should
heard
delete my
that.
comment. I was like,
No,
because I guess people
so
need money, so they're signing up. So is that why?